gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fun dabby dozy day today. Today we're going to get into and sniff the latest offering from Ffern. Yes, I got my email from Ffern saying summer has been shipped. Thank you for your payment. I've got another video all about Ffern when I got their spring fragrance. And I went into a huge amount of detail in that video about how it all works and everything. But basically, it is a small batch perfume manufacturer, and you've got to sign up to be on the ledger in order to get your opportunity to actually buy the perfume. Once you're accepted to the ledger, they basically just ship it to you and charge you every time there is a new fragrance, and they do it by season. I had my email saying summer is on its way. Summer 23. And my girl, Stella, messaged me on Instagram and said, because she managed to get on the ledger as well, she said, have you had your summer yet? And I was like, it's arrived, but I've not opened it. She said, smells a little bit cleaning fluid to me. I have a feeling it would keep the mosquitoes away. Now, if that means it's lemony, like Jif or Sif cleaning products, I'm all here for it because I love lemon. Okay, so box, same as last time, exactly the same kind of box as last time. Within the box you've got your certificate, you've got your gubbins here. This is going to be something pretty, I can already tell. You've got the box. This contains the actual bottle of perfume, so I'll pop that down there. And this is some extras. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now, one of the things that I like about Ffern is there are lots of things I like about Ffern. I like the fact that they do use like lots of natural things, so they don't go all out with lots of really kind of unnatural chemicals and stuff. But this is another thing that I really like about them. You get your extras here. Your extras include a little sample of the perfume, because if you try it and you don't like it, you can actually send it back. Let's get straight in and do a little sniff test, because the last video was about 25 minutes long, probably felt like 2 hours to everyone who was watching. Now, so they said to spray onto your wrists, never onto your neck because it's too close. Wait 10 seconds, that's always the hardest bit for me. Wait 10 seconds. And then let it settle. So you get your tester thing here, but you also get these jobbies. So you can, my phone's going nuts, I'm so sorry. You can try it on these rather than on your skin. Now, personally, I prefer to try them on my skin because fragrances change according to our body chemistry and things. I'm just going to start chucking things on the floor here. I'll be surrounded by stuff soon. So another little pamphlet there. Another little diffusion stone, which I didn't really understand last time. And to be honest, this doesn't hold the fragrance. I tried it a few times with the Spring 23 fragrance. I tried it on, and I left it on my desk, sprayed it, left it on my desk. Didn't really seem to do very much. Oh, this is tea this time. So last time, the Spring 23 little extra was meadow seeds, wildflower meadow seeds, which I still haven't actually planted in the back garden because we're not sure what we're doing there yet. Summer tea, developed by Ffern in collaboration with the organic herb trading company, our neighbours in Milverton, Somerset. So I'll have them linked down below as well as Ffern. I will try that. I'm not a big fan of kind of florally teas and stuff. I'm an English breakfast girl, English breakfast tea girl. Sampling guide. Oh, time has passed. Oh, I don't know about the lemony. Oh, it has got a little lemony undertone. It's very musky though, I think. Very musky. I like that. Spicy. I'm going to put a little bit more on. Oh yeah, I'm getting like lemon from the very, very first hit, but there's a lot more going on than that. So we'll get through the tasting notes. Again, we've got gorgeous little Ffern sticker Oh, she didn't break the sticker. It looks very oriental. So it opens up. Got some more information here. Oh, that's pretty. So that is the illustration for this bottle. And it says Osmanthus Blossom by Ffern artist CC Lee. Release schedule. I mentioned that these are released by season, and they're actually released on solstice and equinox. So summer 23 was released on the 21st of June and it was shipped straight away, so I got it almost immediately afterwards. There is a tree much prized in China. It grows in almost every garden, and in the 8th month of the year it blooms in time for the harvest festival and its bright full moon. This tree has slender branching limbs and pointed leaves like its cousin, the olive. Among them nestle tiny yellow flowers the size of a grain of rice. In Chinese mythology, it is self-healing, a magical tree that grows on the moon. If you chop it down, it grows again. For many Chinese, osmanthus is the most evocative scent in the world, much more than the sum of its parts. So that looks like that's the base of this fragrance. A note on sustainability. I mentioned this in the last video, but it's worth shouting out again. We are the first perfume maker to eliminate plastic from our packaging. Every element is recyclable. We will get in there because I like this. I don't think this is cleaning fluids. Let's have a little see of what the ingredients are. Blended in southwest England with organic Italian grain vodka. Don't mind if I do. Osmanthus flower, grapefruit rind, lemon rind, olibanum, key lime rind, basil granvere, grain mandarin, hoewood, bergamot rind, rose otto, nutmeg, rose geranium, neroli, hay, benzoin, siam, red cedar, brown-eyed, rock rose, and vetiver root. I like it. I love all the bits that come with it. I like it. I like the scent. I'm going to spray a little bit more over here. Now these are not like your Louis Vuittons and your Dior perfumes. These are more subtle, they're more earthy, they're a little bit more... I don't know how to describe them, but they don't have that kind of cloying, it stays with you for days and days and days kind of thing that you get with a lot of really high-end perfumes. I like it. Stella, I am not going to be using this to keep the mosquitoes away. I think it's rather lovely. I am going to cut into the box. The box has a little bit of Ffern debossed there, and it is 31 millilitres. I like it. I'm going to get into it. To keep perfume, break seal. Done. It's a done deal. I shall add it to my... There we go. So this is the bit that they said was compostable. It's the little tray that the perfume sits in. It's still rather a lot of packaging for a small bottle, but you can see the bottle is pretty much the same. I will get the Spring 23 and show them together. This is Spring 23, and you can see it's a kind of lighter kind of liquid than Summer 23. And the label and everything on them is exactly the same. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. And there's a little cross in the box next to it. And then 22, 23, 24, 25 for the year. And there's a little cross in there. So you can see I have used quite a bit of the spring one. And I like it. I keep it by my desk. I don't find it lasts as long as some of the others like Dior and Louis Vuitton and stuff. Those really kind of, they stay with you for days and days and days and days. You need 12 showers to get rid of the scent. But I like the freshness of these. I like how organic's the wrong word, but how earthy they are. They're not distracting. They're a lovely little subtle scent, and I like to just throughout the day as I'm working, pop a little spritz on my arms while I'm typing away, beavering away. I'm going to spray Spring onto these. It's weird because Spring smells a little bit lighter and a little bit fresher, and Summer smells a little bit warmer. So that's my new Ffern Summer 23 fragrance, exclusive to those who are on the ledger. Am I going to remain on the ledger after trying spring and summer? Yes, I am. I'm very excited to see what autumn and winter will bring, and whether they will evoke the seasons as well as spring with its light freshness and summer with its slightly warmer, more heady kind of flavours. Yeah, see if they evoke the same kind of seasonality in the scent. I really don't know how to explain it. I'm not very good at this. You should probably go and watch Winnie BLV talk about perfume. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've signed up to the Ffern Ledger or if you're on the waiting list to sign up on the Ffern Ledger. And if you've tried the fragrances as well, let me know what you think of them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for my next video, please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fantabby dozy, and bye-bye!